Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm aware that the channel has been very Land Rover heavy recently, so I figured just for all you city bug enthusiasts, I'd do something nice and quick just to break it up a little bit. This one is going out outside my normal 2-weekly upload schedule, so just to break it up a little bit. Today I'm going to be changing the interior light bulb. It's a very quick and basic one, but I'm going to be upgrading to LED. I did buy little LED bulb. It's a little T10 LED bulb. I bought it from these guys. Bought it a while ago, actually, to be honest. I just never got around to doing it. So, without any further ado, let's get on with that. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just to make sure that this switch is in the off position, which is the center one, which is the O. Just for comparison, that's how bright it looks with the normal halogen bulb. And we'll come to the other one later on. So, I've got the plastic trim removal tool. I've been using this a lot recently, videos to come. Slot it in this side, the opposite side of the switch, and just pop that out. Okay? Now, what we need to do now is, just here, you can see that there are two plastic clips. Squeeze those, and pull the bulb holder away. That leaves us with that in your hand, and the free floater. Now then, with this being an LED bulb, they are polar sensitive. So, you can see on the bulb it's got the two electrical contacts there. So it's either going to go around that way, or it's going to go around that way. If at first it doesn't work, flip it through 180 degrees, and it will work then. So, just slide that bulb out. There's nothing actually wrong with this bulb, it's just very yellow light, and I'm not into that. I'm much more of an LED kind of guy. And then push the bulb back into there, so we've got the new bulb in. In order to test this, we need to refit the housing, because that's got the control switch on it. So refit into the opposite, push it back in, and if I put that to on, as you can see that's not working. So I'll pop that back to off, take the bulb out, turn it around 180 degrees, push it back in. If it'll go in. There we go. And then back into the housing. And then switch that to on. There we go. That's much clearer light. And then to replace that, it's literally just the complete opposite. So wiring towards passenger side in the UK, so left hand side. Slot that end in first, and that'll clip back in. So when we switch this on now, that's what it looks like now. So, I put that back onto door, so just to make sure that's working. That's off, door is closed, door is open, and it's working. Happy with that? So, like I said, nice, quick, simple, easy task to do. So we've changed the light bulb now, everything's good with that. I love how it looks because it's now a nice, clear, crisp, white look, and that's what I'm all about. If you did like it, then remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, anything like that. The rest of the series for the C1 is just here. Instagram is just here. And follow me on Instagram. Find out what I'm up to during the weeks between videos. And if you did like it, remember to ring the bell. And I'll see you in the next video.